Hey everybody, it's Audrey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video will be a day in the life of my working day. So the days that I actually go into my office. So I got up at 4, I worked out, took my shower, and then got ready. This 4 o'clock wake up is new for me. I had been getting up at 4:30 every day, but getting up at 4:30 means I only get a 30-minute workout and I wanted an hour workout. So I started getting up at 4. I don't put very much makeup on at all when I go in the office. All I do is moisturize, pour refiner cream. I cover like any large blemishes, or I just got done working out, so my face is super red and it'll stay that way for a while. So it's hard to tell where I really need to put the concealer, but basically it's just going all over the redness. And then I color my eyebrows a little bit and put on mascara, and that's all I do. Oh, and then there's my daughter. I had her go to bed earlier for their new bedtime, and she had already woke up by 5, but I think she ends up going back to bed for a couple hours this day in the morning. So I had a choice of, do I blow dry my hair or do I make breakfast? And I chose to make breakfast. I didn't have any of those breakfast tacos that I've been making in the fridge, so I had to make something before I left to go to work. So I made just some scrambled eggs and bacon for my husband and I when he woke up. And then after I cook the eggs, this is just a little trick that my husband taught me. I don't know if it's common knowledge or not, but if you're like cooking something in your skillet and the residue sticks to your pan, you can just boil some water in that pan and then it all just wipes right off. And that way you don't have to like scrub on your pan or anything. Again, I don't know if that's common knowledge, but when he showed me that, I was like amazed. And then after I made our breakfast, I ate mine really quickly. Our eggs are super yellow. We get them from a friend that we give our chickens to. And it's just 1 egg and then 2 egg whites, but they're so yellow, even for it being mainly egg whites. And then I left and went to work. I have to leave about 6:10, and then I get to the office about 6:30. And then this is me getting to the office. I work at a commercial industrial construction company. I run the office there. I work 10-hour days, so I try to do my standing desk for half of my day. I usually do like an hour on and an hour off. It works really good. I took a break midway through and just did some stretching. Because of a doctor's appointment, Grayson had to come visit me at work, so I had him for the last couple hours of the day. Then we left work and headed home. My husband grabbed our grocery pickup this week, so when he got home, I unloaded it and got everything put away as quickly as possible because he also had supper. This week's grocery pickup was about $100. I didn't get a whole lot of actual groceries. I got a lot of random items. But nonetheless, we still have food for meals and such. Next week, our meals are enchiladas, salmon, taco lasagna, spaghetti using the spaghetti squash. And the taco lasagna is made with low-calorie tortillas instead of pasta noodles. I have 7 meals planned, but I'm forgetting a few of them. After I got the groceries put away, I ate my dinner, and then I finished up the 6:10 list. My husband had already done the laundry that was in the dryer, so I just needed to start and switch a load that I will put away tomorrow. And I know I'm actually cheating by posting a shorter video for your Friday video, but I didn't get one filmed over the weekend, which means I'm filming, doing the voiceover, and editing a video all in one night. So this is Thursday night. So you're going to be watching this tomorrow. But since I didn't plan very far ahead this week, I had to kind of make it a shorter video. And on the days I work, it's obviously pretty calm. There's not a lot going on. But I still wanted to give you a look at what my working days typically look like. So this is me just getting ready for bed. All I do is take off my makeup, wipe my face with glycolic acid wipes, moisturize and chapstick, floss, use a water pick, brush my teeth, mouthwash. And then lately I've been trying to do rosemary in my hair because my hair is just thinning at such a great rate. If anyone has any tips or suggestions on what helped them with their thin hair, please comment those below because I do not know what to do at this point. The only other thing I need to do before bed is take my medicine and lay out my clothes for tomorrow. I'll try to be in bed by 7:45, asleep by 8. That way I can get my 8 hours in to get up at 4 for my workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I know it was kind of a boring one and a short one, but I just wanted to give you an insight into my life on my working days. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next Tuesday.